Welcome to Top Best Picks. The best hydrogen peroxide travel size is probably one of the most versatile and essential items you can pack for any trip, whether it's for a weekend getaway or an extended adventure, offering a compact yet powerful solution for a myriad of unexpected situations, from minor cuts and scrapes to sanitizing surfaces on the go, ensuring you're prepared for anything that comes your way while maintaining hygiene and peace of mind far from home. Number 5. Bactine Max First Aid Spray, 4-pack. Introducing Bactine Max First Aid Spray. It provides fast-acting relief from minor cuts, scrapes, burns, and bug bites. With 4% lidocaine, it effectively numbs the pain and stops itching. You can get back to your day without discomfort. This versatile spray is your go-to for various minor injuries. It's essential for any home first aid kit. Get a convenient 4-pack of Bactine Max First Aid Spray. Ensure you always have this reliable solution on hand. Experience quick and effective relief when you need it most. Trust Bactine Max for your family's first aid needs. What we like. This spray offers powerful pain and itch relief with its 4% lidocaine formula. If you're looking for immediate comfort from minor cuts, burns, or bug bites, this is an excellent choice. Its spray application makes it easy to use on the go, perfect for active individuals or families. What people say. The product is a good value for the money. This product is very effective and works as described. The packaging is convenient and easy to use. Number 4. Care Touch Hand Sanitizer Wipes. Never worry about dry wipes again. Each one is individually wrapped, ensuring they are always fresh, discreet, and ready when you need them. Our wipes are fragrance and paraben-free, making them gentle on your skin. You can use them without any worries about harsh preservatives or lingering odors. Designed to be compact, these fit easily into any pocket or bag. They are the ideal travel companion for your everyday adventures. With 110 individually wrapped packets, you'll have plenty to last. This generous supply is perfect for personal use, sharing, or keeping spares handy. Whether you're at home, at the office, or out and about, these wipes offer a convenient solution. Keep them with you for easy sanitization wherever life takes you. What we like. These wipes provide ultimate convenience with their individual packaging, ensuring freshness and ease of use anywhere. If you prioritize hygiene and a gentle formula, these are ideal. They are perfect for keeping in your pocket, purse, or car for quick sanitization without any scent. What people say. This is a great product for travel. It is very convenient to carry around. The size is perfect for my needs. Number 3. Active Skin Repair First Aid Hydrogel. Introducing a revolutionary first aid hydrogel designed for rapid skin repair. Its natural, non-toxic formula provides gentle yet effective care for your skin's needs. Harnessing the power of medical-grade hypochlorous acid, this solution works naturally to support your skin's healing process. It's a safe and advanced option for everyday first aid. Experience soothing relief without the burn. This no-sting formula is perfect for sensitive skin and ensures a comfortable application every time. From minor cuts and scrapes to rashes and sunburns, this hydrogel provides targeted relief. It helps to calm and repair irritated skin effectively. This repairing ointment is your go-to for promoting healthy skin regeneration. Trust it to help your skin recover quickly and naturally. Packaged in a convenient 3-ounce size, it's easy to keep this essential healing hydrogel at home or on the go. Ensure you always have effective skin support within reach. What we like. This hydrogel utilizes medical-grade hypochlorous acid for gentle yet effective skin repair. If you need a non-toxic, sting-free option for various skin irritations like rashes or sunburns, this is a great pick. It's suitable for sensitive skin and promotes natural healing. What people say. The product is a good size for travel and fits easily into a toiletry bag. It is effective for cleaning small cuts and scrapes, and the spray nozzle works well. The bottle is leak-proof and doesn't spill in a bag. Number 2. Bactine Max Antibiotic Plus Pain Relieving Ointment. Introducing Bactine Max, your go-to solution for preventing infection in minor cuts, scrapes, and burns. It provides a strong defense to help your skin heal. Experience rapid relief from discomfort. This formula contains lidocaine to quickly numb the pain and soothe itching associated with minor wounds. Get the best of both worlds with our dual-action ointment. It fights infection while simultaneously providing numbing pain relief. The convenient 0.5-ounce size makes it easy to apply whenever and wherever you need it. Simply apply to the affected area for effective care. Keep this essential ointment in your first aid kit for reliable treatment of everyday cuts, scrapes, and burns. It's designed for effective healing and comfort. What we like. This ointment combines antibiotic properties with lidocaine for comprehensive care of minor wounds. If you need a dual-action product that prevents infection while also relieving pain and itching, this is a solid option. It's best for those who want a protective barrier and numbing effect on cuts and scrapes. What people say. This is a great product for travel. It is very convenient to carry around. The size is perfect for my needs. Number 1. Dealmed Hydrogen Peroxide 3% USP First Aid Antiseptic. This 3% USP solution is a trusted choice for doctors, hospitals, and home use. It effectively cleans wounds to prevent infection and supports the healing process. While essential in medical settings, it's also perfect for classrooms and home first aid kits. Keep it handy wherever you go for immediate care. Use this as an oral rinse to help heal canker sores and gingivitis. It also aids in removing mucus, promoting oral hygiene. Designed for easy access, its leak-resistant screw cap and tamper-evident seal ensure safe and convenient use anywhere. Travel with confidence. Composed of just oxygen and water, this product is made without toxins or impurities. It's a safe and effective treatment proudly made in the USA. What we like. This product offers a reliable 3% USP-grade hydrogen peroxide solution for various first aid needs. If you're looking for a versatile antiseptic that can also be used as an oral rinse, this is a practical choice. Its secure packaging makes it suitable for travel and home first aid kits. What people say. The travel size is perfect for my purse and doesn't leak. Great for cleaning small cuts and scrapes on the go. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.